So hi guys, wanted to show you the Jacob's coat. I'm going away for a couple of weeks abroad and these will need to be looked after by family. The tennis ball is there to give you a size reference, and also these will probably not come back to this place. Most of them are going to be given away and some of them are going to be sold for charity. So just wanted to show you the Jacob's coat. A good 16 to 18 inches tall now, lovely healthy plants, and there you are. So you can see the flowers there. Those flowers will turn into buds with chilies on them, and they are gonna get, you can see at the bottom, they're getting bushier. All the side shoots are gonna start to come out. These are the Vilma tomatoes, the miniature ones. They're going to give small cherry-like tomatoes, and they're going to be quite small. We're talking about 6 to 9 inches tall plants. Again, these are leaving, a few of these will come back. I'm going to keep 1 or 2 of each in this place, but most of the other plants are going to be again given away to family. And as I'm going away for a couple of weeks, family are going to be looking after this for me, because they need watering every other day and they're not going to survive. I'm away for 2 weeks. Alright, next. So these are the little Leo sunflowers, dwarf. They grow to about, maximum I would say about 3 foot tall. I've had to repot them again. I only repotted them 10 days ago. They're growing so fast. And because I'm away for 2 weeks, they would have outgrown the pots, and I didn't want family to have the trouble of repotting these. So I've taken, and slightly, probably a week too early, I've repotted them in the next size pots up. So all they have to do is give it sunshine and water. These definitely won't be coming back because these are for outside, so they're going to be given away, and maybe some even sold for charity. Okay, so that's the little Leo sunflowers. Let's show you the next thing. So this is the small miniature sweet peppers we grew. So these are slow growing and they need a bit more heat, so just waiting for summer. These will come back because they need repotting, and that's how they're coming along. Now these are a pain. They have grown a lot taller than they're supposed to. So this is the patio fire, and it was supposed to be dwarf plants, but they just keep growing taller and taller. So I'm not sure about these. There's a couple of plants, actually not a couple, yeah, actually about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. About 5 of the plants are, I would say, 2.5 foot tall already. So they have got flowers on top, and I'm hoping the growth is going to slow down now. But there you are. So again, go away for 2 weeks. These will definitely be repotted, but they'll be repotted outside and kept outside. I might bring 1 or 2 of the small ones back here. That finishes everything I've grown indoors this year. Just so I'll have a bit of fun. I've been growing for a long time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see when we come to fruit picking and everything else, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to turn it on. Until next time, catch you soon. Bye for now.